wonderful people, welcome back. I am making chicken 65 my way. Very simple, easy. So what I did is I marinated the chicken with basic salt, turmeric, green chilies and little yogurt in it for 3 hours. Okay, then after that I added cornstarch and rice flour. That's it. So this is almost ready for me to, and the oil should be pretty hot. See how hot the oil is. So there we go. Don't clutter your oil with lot of chicken pieces, because then it won't work. Some chicken will be done, some will not be done, you know. So just make sure that you have enough, but at the same time it's not overloaded. All right. We just want the chicken to become crispy, right? That's how it is. So if you overload your oil, chicken will not have enough space to get cooked and it won't cook crispy. So there we go. While that is being done, let me show the ingredients that we would need for tadka on top of it, so that you can also keep prepared. So onion, lemon, green chilies, cilantro, ginger garlic, and curry leaves. That's it. Keep it simple. Alright. Ooh, the chicken's crisped up so well. Another few minutes and we will be taking it out. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you this batch and then I'm going to be done with everything, and then we'll come back and show the, the tadka part of it. So if you see, I did not add any color to it, guys. The red color is just red chili powder. So, healthy also, and no artificial colors. You see that? Crispy. Ha. There we go. So let me be done with the rest of it and I'll be back. So you see I've almost done here, and this is my there we go. My last batch. Be very careful. As I said, don't clutter. Oil is too hot. Be very careful near the oil. If there is water in your chicken, the oil will splutter. So be very careful. Okay, there should not be any water in your chicken. Make sure you squeeze the entire water out and then you put the other things into it. So what I'm going to do is, if you see, I've taken a Pyrex bowl and I'm going to add the chicken here, preparing for the tadka. Very few things, and we will reuse some of this oil because it's infused with so many flavor from the chicken, so I will be reusing little bit of this oil itself for my tadka. There we go. Our chicken is done, guys. So I'm gonna do the tadka. The oil is very hot. There we go. I said I'm gonna reuse the oil because it's hot, and we can reuse it. Even though the oil is hot, the pan is not hot. So, patience, patience. Cooking is all patience. Alright, I'm gonna give it a few minutes. In the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze a lemon on top of the chicken here, just to give it more flavor. There we go. There we go. The oil and tadka is becoming hot. Now I'm gonna add the ginger garlic, and I'm gonna add the ginger garlic and cilantro, green chilies, curry leaves. Step back when you put curry leaves, guys. It's gonna splutter and sometimes on the face, so you need to be careful. Oh, I took out the hing, so the oil is hot. So little hing. Smells so good here. I wish somebody develops the technology of smelling. It's okay. There we go. So all done. Switch off the gas, and I'm gonna hold it with my. Here we go. You see that? Now I'm gonna just add it on top of the chicken. There we go. There you go, guys. Chicken 65, my way, simple way, very easy to make. And if you've seen my video of enchilada, this is the chicken that I've shredded and used it for the enchiladas in there. So all the very best. I hope you will get to make this, and you will comment and let me know how it's come. Thank you very much for watching, and ciao until another session. Thank you.